अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। गुरुवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय सदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। या स्वानुभावम् अतिशुतिसारमेकम् ध्यापदीपं वितुषतितमवन्दम् संसारकरुणपुराणगुह्यं तं वेद्व्याससमुपयामि गुरुवर्येण। अनर्पितं चरिचिरात् कारुण्यवतीन कलो समर्पयितुमुन्नतजलसा स्वभक्ति श्रियम्। हरिः पुरस्सृष्टि कदम्ब सन्दीपिता सदा हृदय कन्द्रेषु स्फुरतु वै सचिनन्दनम्। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपीकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। भक्त्या विहीनाय अपराधलक्षे क्षिप्तस्य कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि तं शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। एक बार सभी बोलिए हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम
राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे।
आज कथा का षष्ठ दिवस।
Today is the 6th day of Srimad Bhagavad Katha.
कल की कथा में हम लोग
For yesterday's katha, we heard about the birth pastime of Radharani and the glories of Srimati Radharani. We heard the beautiful childhood pastimes of Krishna, and in this way, in Braj, the pastimes of Krishna that happen, there are 3 different stages of Krishna's age: childhood pastime, Paugand Leela and Kaishor. Krishna performs childhood pastimes and steals the heart of everyone. And everyone gets very attracted to Krishna and used to meditate on Krishna and his pastimes. In whoever house Kanhaiya would go to steal butter, they would really love it. And whoever house Krishna does not go to steal butter, they feel so much pain.
इसलिए जान
That's
बुझकर
why
बुलाना लेकर
deliberately gopis used to come,
यशोदा तेरे बालक ने ये
saying
किया,
that, oh
ये
Yashoda,
किया।
your boy did this, your boy did that.
लेकिन ये सब बुलाने तो
But all these
कृष्ण को देखने के लिए,
complaints,
दर्शन करने के लिए
accusations were with only one purpose, to have darshan of Krishna, not to make anyone unhappy.
ऐसे करते करते
So like this,
कन्हैया की आयु थोड़ी बड़ी हुई।
Kanhaiya, he grew in age,
कृष्ण 7 वर्ष के
he grew more, and he became 7 years old.
मैं देखना पीछे ही शोर मचा रहा है।
Just check once behind. Link share.
कृष्ण 7 वर्ष के हुए।
Link share.
जब
Krishna
बालक बड़ा होता है
became 7 years old.
जब बालक थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है तो
When the
उसकी
boy
पहचान क्या
becomes
होती है?
little old,
उसमें समझ आने लगती है
he grow, then what is
और
the
वो बहुत
signal
सारे
that he
प्रश्न
is
करने
growing?
लगता है।
One sign that he starts asking very,
कन्हैया भी 7
very
वर्ष के बालक हुए।
meaningful questions. So Kanhaiya also, when he became
इसलिए
7
हर
years
बात
old,
को जानना चाहते हैं, क्यों हुआ, कैसे करना है,
so he is very inquisitive to know everything.
प्रश्न।
Why it happened, how it happened, all these kind of questions.
7 वर्ष के बालक हुए ना,
He was 7 years old.
एक दिन इन्होंने
One day he saw that
यशोदा मैया सुबह उठकर बड़े बड़े पकवान बना रही है।
Yashoda Maya is making very nice palatable dishes early in the morning, and in every house there is smoke coming out. Very nice preparations are being made.
आंखें मलते मलते
Kanhaiya is just rubbing his eyes.
यशोदा मैया के निकट आ गए।
He came near Yashoda Maya.
मैया मैया
Maya, Maya,
इतने सारे पकवान बना रही हूँ,
you are making so many
आज
preparations.
मेरा जन्मदिन आने वाला
Is it my birthday today?
यशोदा मैया ने कहा,
Yashoda Maya said,
हमको परेशान मत
hey,
करो,
don't disturb us.
बाबा से पूछो,
Go and talk to your father.
हमको तंग मत करो।
Don't disturb me.
कन्हैया तो बेचारे इतने उत्साह से आए,
Kanhaiya, he came with so much enthusiasm and excitement, but Yashoda Maya just shoo him away.
ऐसे तो नहीं करना
So,
चाहिए भगवान को।
you may say that one should not do like this with Lord.
लेकिन मैंने
But
पहले ही
I
किया।
already said in the day one only that
ब्रज में कोई
in
कन्हैया
Braj,
को ईश्वर
no one
भगवान
considers
नहीं
Kanhaiya as the Supreme Lord.
मानता। और ना ही कन्हैया अपने आप को
Neither
भगवान मानता।
Kanhaiya really wants to be considered as the Supreme Lord.
ब्रजमंडल 84
This Braj
ब्रजमंडल
Mandal,
है।
this Chaurasi coast, this whole Braj Mandal is this kind of place where nobody accepts Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yashoda Maya always considered Krishna as his own child. For example, in your own house, if your child becomes the president of the country,
तो जैसे घर से
then
बाहर
as soon as he goes out of the house, everyone salutes, everyone pays respect to him.
लेकिन वो अपने घर
But
आएगा तो
when he comes to his own house, then
खड़े हो जाएगी, सुनो
his parents, his mother also will stand up and salute him. No.
घर में घर जैसा संबंध।
In the house, the relationship is different. In the same way,
ब्रज में
in the Braj,
श्री कृष्ण का जिसके साथ जैसा संबंध,
Shri Krishna, whatever relationship he has with his family members, it's very intimate. There is no formality in that. The Yashoda Maya, she never considers Krishna as the supreme. She always says, hey, go and ask all these questions to your father Nanda Baba. Now Kanhaiya ran and came to Nanda Baba and said, Baba,
गोद में बिठा लिया।
as soon as he said, Baba, Nanda Baba just took Krishna on his lap and started asking, what happened, my son? Now the Baba is saying,
यशोदा मैया भी बहुत
Krishna is asking that in every house today so many preparations are going on, and Yashoda Maya also is preparing so nice dishes. So is it my birthday or some special day? Nanda Baba said, no, my son, it's not your birthday today. So Baba, why so many dishes, so many preparations?
नंद बाबा ने कहा, अभी तुम बालक हो, क्या
Nand Baba said, Arey, you are just a child right now. What you will
हम
understand?
जानना चाहते हैं।
No, Baba, I really want to know. Please tell me. Okay, listen to me then.
हम हर वर्ष
Every year,
इंद्र की पूजा करते
we
हैं।
worship Indra.
इंद्र देवताओं का
Indra
राजा है।
is the demigod,
हम हर वर्ष
king of all demigods. And we every year worship
कन्हैया तो
Indra.
नंद बाबा का वही देखते रह गए।
Now Kanhaiya was just
बाबा इंद्र
seeing
ने
the
ऐसा
face
क्या
of
किया
Nand
कि
Baba
आपने
and
पूछा?
he's asking that Baba, what did Indra do? What special
बाबा
he
ने
did
कहा,
that you
देवता
have to
कभी ऐसा
worship
नहीं
him?
बोलते।
Baba said that, hey, don't talk
सभ्य
about
भाषा में
demigod
कहो,
like this. Talk with respect.
ये स्वर्ग के सारे
He
देवताओं
is
का राजा
the
है।
king of all demigods of heaven.
हाँ वो तो ठीक है बाबा,
Kanhaiya said, that's
लेकिन
fine,
मन ही मन
Baba.
में कन्हैया
But
सोच
in
रहे
the
हैं,
mind, Kanhaiya is
इंद्र
thinking
तो
that,
देवता का राजा
Indra,
क्या,
you
वो
are
तो मेरे
the
चरणों
king
का
of
दास है।
demigods. You are the
तेरी
dust
पूजा
of my
मेरे
lotus
ब्रजवासी
feet.
करेंगे।
You are my servant. Your
तब
worship
कन्हैया पूछने
will be
लगे,
done by my Brajvasis.
बाबा एक बात तो बतलाओ,
Then Kanhaiya started
इंद्र
asking,
की पूजा
Baba,
ही
tell
क्यों
me
करते
one
हैं?
thing. Why to worship Indra only?
क्यों करते हो आप इसकी पूजा?
Why
कहते
do you
हम तो
worship Indra?
हर वर्ष करते हैं।
He said,
तुम
we do
आज
every
पूजा
year.
है।
You are asking that today only?
अब इसी से पता लगा कन्हैया अब सियाने हो
So
गए।
from this only, it got to know that
जैसे बच्चा
Kanhaiya
बड़ा
has
होता है,
become very
उसकी
smart.
समझ आती है।
As the
कन्हैया
child
भी उस
grow,
प्रकार से हैं तो भगवान,
the intelligence
लेकिन
also
भूले
grow.
बैठे हैं
So
तो
although
भगवान को।
Kanhaiya is the supreme
जैसे
Lord, but he
आयु
has
बढ़ती
actually
है,
forgot
समझ आती है,
that I am the God.
वैसे कन्हैया की आयु
So
बढ़ती
like an
है
ordinary
और
child,
समझ
when he
आती है।
grow, his
और
intelligence
ऐसे ही
grows.
प्रश्न
In the
करते हैं।
same way, Kanhaiya, with his
बाबा
age,
इंद्र की
his
पूजा ही
questions
क्यों?
are becoming more meaningful.
तो
He
नंद
is
बाबा
asking
ने कहा,
Baba,
तो
why
सुनो,
Indra's worship?
इंद्र
Then
है
Baba
देवताओं
said,
का
listen
राजा
to me. Indra is the
और ये है
king of
वर्षा
all
का राजा।
demigods and he is
हम इंद्र की पूजा करते हैं,
the king of rainfall
इंद्र प्रसन्न
also.
हो जाता है,
So when we worship
ढेर
Indra,
सारी वर्षा
Indra
करता है।
becomes satisfied and he gives us a
जब
lot of
वर्षा होती है
rainfall.
तो
And because of
हरी
rainfall,
हरी घास
so much
बढ़ती
nice
है,
vegetation grows.
हमारी गैया
And
उस
because
घासों को
of that
खाती
nice
है
vegetation, our
और
cows
ढेर
get
सारा दूध
feeded
देती है।
and they give a lot of milk.
कितने सिंपल से साधारण
So
लोग
such a simple formula, such a simple process, Nand Baba explained to Krishna.
इंद्र की पूजा इसलिए कि बहुत वर्षा करेगा, उससे घास होगी, गैया घास खाएगी और बहुत सारा दूध देगी।
So ultimately, our cows will give a lot of milk if Indra gives rainfall. So
क्या
Kanhaiya
जहाँ
said,
पर इंद्र
Baba,
की पूजा नहीं होती,
listen to me.
वहाँ वर्षा नहीं होती।
Do the places where Indra does
कृष्ण
not get
अपने
worship,
सोचते हैं,
there is no rainfall?
मैं यहाँ पर हूँ,
Krishna is thinking in the heart that if
तो ये
I
देवताओं
am
की
here,
पूजा क्यों करते हैं?
then how and why would they worship demigods?
बड़े ध्यान से,
Now understand this,
क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ी एक समस्या है हमारे
because
देश
this is a very important problem of our country.
में। जो अपने आप को कह रहा है मैं भगवान हूँ,
The
उससे
one who
भगवान
is
नहीं
telling
माना जाता।
oneself that I am the
और
God,
जिसने कभी अपने आप को भगवान नहीं
and
कहा,
people are not
भगवान
considering him
नहीं
God,
कहा।
and the one who has never considered himself or never told about himself that he is the God, everyone is considering him as God.
लॉजिक
See,
से
there is
समझो,
no partiality, there is no biasness. If you understand with logic, if you do not trust the words of scriptures, then understand with logic. And if you have trust on scriptures, then you should talk with evidences from scriptures.
अपने
Because
यही कह रहे हैं।
this is the point which Bhagwan himself is telling to his father.
माध्यम बनाकर
So through making the father, his own father as the medium, Bhagwan is trying to teach the whole society one lesson.
जिसने उंगली उठाकर अपने वक्षस्थल पर रखकर ये कहा मैं कृष्ण
The one who lifted his index finger, kept on the chest and said that I am Ishwar,
और जिसने
I am the Lord. Nobody is ready to consider him Lord. But those personalities who never said that I am God, everyone is worshipping him as God. For example, did Shivji ever said that I am God?
ईश्वर है,
If Shivji is the Supreme Lord,
तो फिर अपने हाथ में
then
रुद्राक्ष की
why
लेकर
does he have Rudraksh beads in his hand? Why does he chant Ram Nam on Rudraksh beads?
माला जाप करता है कि भगवान माला जाप
A devotee chants the holy name or
कली देखो,
the Lord chants the holy name?
भक्त के हाथ में माला होती है,
The holy name, the beads are always in the hand of devotees.
रुद्राक्ष की
Shivji has the mala of Rudraksh, beads of Rudraksh. And Shiv on those beads of Rudraksh, he chants the holy name of Ram. Did ever Shivji said that I am Ishwar, I am Supreme? No, never.
अच्छा हनुमान जी,
Now Hanumanji,
आप हनुमान जी को भगवान कह के तो देखो एक बार,
you consider, you just tell Hanumanji as the Supreme Lord, then he will slap you nicely. Hanumanji, the pride of Hanumanji is that I am the servant of Ram.
दास हनुमान जी राम भक्त हैं, राम दास हैं,
Ramji
वे राम नहीं हैं,
is the Supreme
राम ही
and
ईश्वर हैं।
he is my master. This is the mood of Hanumanji. Hanumanji is the Sevak. He never considers, he never like anyone telling him as the Supreme Lord.
रुद्र अवतार
And that Hanuman ji is the incarnation of Rudra, Shiv ji.
जो राम जी की सेवा करते हैं।
That Hanuman ji who serves Ram ji is actually the incarnation of Shiv ji, Rudra ji. In third day, I was actually discussing about the pastimes of Shiv ji,
महादेव
in which I explained that one side, Mahadev, he is giving boon to Ravan.
वो रावण जो राम जी
That
के
Ravan
विरुद्ध है,
who is against Ram ji,
उस रावण को वरदान देते हैं।
he gives boon to Ravan. And on the other side, that Shiv becomes Hanuman and serves Ram ji. What kind of reverse nature? Opposite ended.
हम हनुमान जी को ईश्वर भगवान मानेंगे।
We consider Hanuman ji as the Lord, but Hanuman ji is the servant of the Lord.
दास को दास ही रहने दो।
So let the servant stay the servant.
उनको भगवान का प्रसाद दो।
Give him the remnants of the Lord.
ये बड़ी समझने वाली बात है।
This is also something very important to understand.
हनुमान जी को चढ़ा दिया।
One just brought
सब हो गए।
a garland and offered it to Hanuman ji. That's fine, he will become happy. But he will be more happy if we touch that garland to the lotus feet of Ram ji and then apply that on Hanuman ji. In that, Hanuman ji will become more satisfied.
को दिया जाता है उसके
If Ram ji's remnants is given to the devotee of Ram ji, then he becomes 100 times more blissful.
ईश्वर हूँ।
Did ever Hanuman ji say that I am Ishwar, I am the Supreme Lord?
हनुमान जी को ईश्वर मानने लग जाते।
But people consider Hanuman ji as the Supreme.
क्या कभी गणेश जी ने कहा मैं
Did ever Ganesh ji said that I am Ishwar, I am the Supreme Lord?
फिर भी उनको ईश्वर
But still, we start considering Ganesh ji as the Supreme Lord. This is the problem that I am telling in today's society. But the one who has actually,
दुनिया के सामने
in front of the whole world, in front of the whole kings,
तर्जनी उंगली को
with his index finger, with the main finger, keeping on the chest, he has said, keeping on his own chest, he said, in the youth, in the fight of Mahabharata, in the war of Mahabharata, Krishna is saying, Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante va buddha bhav samanvita. I am the master of everyone. I am the lord of everyone. And everyone emanates from me. Everything emanates from me. Even a little boy in India knows about this. Who is the one who has shown his universal form? Hanuman ji showed his universal form. Ganesh ji, Shiv ji, Surya ji. Who? Lord Krishna. Krishna only showed his universal form. Ram ji also did not show. And he is tired of speaking it again and again that I am Supreme Lord bhai. But nobody is trusting. And we also get to hear this that everyone has the same form. Then why to have differentiation? Arey yaar, how can there be same form? One is the position of a servant, one is the position of the Supreme Master. How can you make like servant the Supreme Master and how can you make Supreme Master as servant? This is so weird. There is no sense, complete nonsense. Everyone has their own position, own qualification, and they are very respectable in that position. Try to understand this. Why would I lie to you? Do I get some commission from the government here? I am telling honestly about Bhagavatam, the words of Vedas, the words of Puranas. I am not telling anything outside. And neither I am promoting anyone. This is not politics that I am getting some personal benefit by promoting a particular god. No. See, if I want to know that who is my father, then in the whole world who can tell me most authentically that who is my father? My mother only can tell me who is my father. If my mother says that this is your father, then will I argue with the mother that no, why he is my father? How can you say? No, mother will herself tell this. In the same way, our scriptures are like our mother. Bhagavad ji, Gita ji, Ved, Puran. When they tell something, they are like mother. They tell who is your father, who is your Supreme Master. Then can we doubt the words of the mother? The words of scriptures? No. In Bhagavad Gita, it is clearly mentioned about all incarnations of the Lord. But finally, it has said one thing, that Krishna is to Bhagwan Swayam, that everyone is the incarnation of Krishna, and Krishna is the source of all incarnations. No, no, no. In the childhood, we saw in the television that from Vishnu only all incarnations appear. Does everything that is shown on television is true, or Bhagavad Gita's words is true? Then they come up with stupid arguments. Argument will be very meaningful only when there is a base of the argument. You have read something, I have read something, then we can argue. If you come and say that, no, I saw in the television, did you read Bhagavad Gita or not? Did you read a single slok of Gita? So you are not qualified to even argue. Just shut up. In Gita ji, Bhagwan is saying that I am the Supreme Lord. In Bhagavad Ji, Shukdev Goswami, Suta Goswami, everyone has said clearly, Eta Chamsha Kalapumsha Krishnastu Bhagwan Swayam. Everyone is the incarnation of Krishna, and Krishna is the source of all incarnation, and he is the single Supreme Lord. Bhagwan is only one. There is no multiple Bhagwan. Brahmaji is the creator. Don't consider my word. Okay. At least you can consider Brahmaji's words. Brahmaji himself said, Ishvara Paramaha Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. Says Ishvara Parama Krishna. That Parameshwar is Krishna, the Supreme. And he is the cause of all causes. The cause of all incarnations is Bhagwan, but he has no cause. He is causeless. Once in America, there is a temple, Hindu temple. In Hindu temple, Bhagavad Katha was going on. For 7 days, I did Bhagavad Katha. Now the Panditji of that Bhagavad, of the temple, he came very angrily. He got very angry and upset in between Katha. It was around 3rd day. Now he came and said that, how can you say like this? We consider everyone as same. Everything is same. You consider this person, that person, this god, that god, this demigod, that demigod, everyone is one. I explained so much from the evidences from Gita, Bhagavad, but he is not able to understand. Then, okay, by the end of Katha, he came to me and said that, oh, I hope you didn't mind. I said, no, I didn't mind. See, we are just having discussion. You are telling me something, I am telling you something. It's fine. He said that, okay, fine, let's just stay that away. Let's just keep that away. I just live behind. You can come in my house and have something. So he took me with so much respect. I went inside his house and he called everyone in the family and he introduced. He said, oh, this is my mother. I paid obeisances. I'm like the son. Then his wife came. He said, oh, this is my wife. I greeted her also. Then he said, see, my sister also has come from her in-laws' place. And then he had 2 little daughters also. And I greeted them also. I gave a gift. Now, I just got a link to explain. That Panditji, who was not able to understand in Bhagavad Katha, now I got an opportunity to explain. I deliberately looked at his daughter and said that, oh, this is your sister, right? He said, no, this is my daughter. How can she be my sister? I saw his mother and said, oh, this is your sister, right? He said, no, Maharaji, what are you saying? This is my mother. I deliberately twisted and shuffled all these identities of the females in the house. So he said, what are you saying? I explained that I am saying there are 4 females in the house. They are all one. They are all ladies. They are all females. So can just denote anyone, anything? He said, no. Mother's place is mother's. Wife's place is different. Sister's place is different. My daughter's position are different. And I was saying that for last 3 hours I was explaining this only, bhai. In Bhagavad Ji, From last 3 hours I was explaining this only. Don't create a khichdi.
बनाना चाहते हैं
You don't want to create khichdi in your house, but you want to create khichdi in the spiritual world. Why? Because you don't have any relationship.
यही बात आज श्री कृष्ण नंद बाबा को समझा रहे हैं।
This is what Bhagwan Shri Krishna is explaining to Nand Baba.
ध्यान से, ये जितने देवता
Baba, listen to me.
ये कर्म अधीन
All these demigods are actually bound by
ये
karmas.
कर्म अधीन है। क्या मतलब इसका?
What is the meaning of that?
कोई भी देवता आपको
Any demigod cannot stop the fruits that are meant to come to you.
साहस नहीं है।
No demigod has this kind of guts.
कर्म अधीन मतलब कर्म का खेल। इसको समझाऊं? एक बच्चे को
Let me
सांप
explain.
के डसने
Let me explain you the cycle, the game of karma.
जोर जोर से रोए।
One little boy got bit by the snake. The mother is crying piteously, "Oh, my son died, my son died." He did not do anything bad. He was just a little kid.
ऋषि जा रहे थे।
Now a Rishi Muni was going from nearby. He asked Mata, "Why are you crying?" She said, "Oh Maharaj, oh Swami,
सांप ने
see,
मर गया बेचारा।
my little boy, he did not do anything wrong to anyone, but a snake came and bit him and he is killed now."
तो ऋषि इतने प्रभावशाली
Now that saint was so strong and influential, he just called out the snake,
को डसा है, सामने आ
"Whichever snake bit this boy, come at once in front of me, otherwise I will just chant some mantra and
ध्यान से सुनना।
kill you." So now hear this. That snake came at once and he was asked by the saint, "Why did you beat him?"
मेरे ऊपर वालों
"Maharaj, why are you getting upset with me? Tell me, talk with the superiors who ordered me. Who told you to do this?"
काल ने कहा था,
The time personified told me.
काल को बुला लिया।
The rishi called time personified.
तुमने क्यों बोला सांप को?
"Come here at once. Why did you say like this to the snake? Why did you give such orders? Why are you getting angry on me? You please talk to my seniors." "Who is your senior?"
मेरे को ऐसा कहा।
"Oh, death personified is my superior."
मृत्यु को भी बुला लिया।
Now that saint called death personified also. "Come here at once."
सांप ने लगी।
Now the death personified also started shivering out of fear. "Why did you order like this to time personified?" And he further ordered to the snake. He said, "Why are you talking to me like this?
यमराज,
Talk to my superiors." "Who is your superior?" "Yamraj."
ऋषि तो यमराज जी को बुला लिया।
So Rishi, he called Yamraj ji.
ऐसा क्यों बोला?
"Yamraj ji, please come at once."
उल्टा आदेश।
"Why did you give such weird orders?" Yamraj ji said, "I did not do anything. This is my typewriter. This Chitraketu. He is the writer. He writes everything about different karmas of different people. So whatever he told me, I gave order accordingly. So hear this attentively because this can be life changing. Please hear this attentively."
यमराज जी ने कहा जो चित्रकूट
Yamraj ji said that whatever Chitragupta wrote, he just explained that to me. And according to that, he was bound to get this
ऐसा क्यों लिखा? तो चित्रगुप्त क्या बोल रहे हैं?
punishment.
तो मैंने अपनी मर्जी से लिखा।
So Chitragupta was telling that I did not write this by my own desire. I am not getting dreams about anyone that I should write this. Whatever he did, I just wrote. That's it.
लिखने का काम करता हूँ।
My task is just to write. I don't fabricate. I just write what I see.
यमराज जी ने कहा तो मैंने क्या दोष किया?
So Yamraj ji said, "What is my fault then? If Chitraketu just wrote
पढ़ा उसके अनुसार ये
and according to that I gave the decision." So it was not the fault of the snake, not time personified, not death personified, not Yamaraj and not Chitraketu also. Chitragupta, sorry. So whose fault it was? Whose fault?
अपना ही।
That little boy's fault only. So that means anything that comes to us, it's the fault is only ours. If the karmas are bad, that whatever
कर्म अच्छे हैं,
stones, whatever thing you are wearing does not create much difference. And if your karmas are good, then no demigod can actually stop your fruits
भी बैठे हो।
that are meant to come to you. Even if you sit in the jungle, in the forest, you will still get the fruits, auspicious fruits of your auspicious karmas.
इंद्र
So Indra,
ये कोई देवता का नाम नहीं है।
this is not the name of a demigod. Indra is actually a post.
देवताओं की पोस्ट है।
Indra is the post
जैसे हमारे यहाँ
of
election होते हैं,
demigod. Like we have elections, we have education minister, agriculture minister, finance minister, defense minister. These are not names.
पोस्ट है,
These are posts.
वहां पर किसी को बिठा दिया जाता है बस.
Someone is just kept in that position for some time, for until next election. So, in the same way, the demigods, they get such posts and they are meant to serve with that post. But who is the one who creates cabinet? Who is the one who creates government? Prime Minister creates the government.
भगवान ही इन देवताओं को
So, in the same way, the Lord only gives post to all these demigods. The demigods do not
हम ही
they do not fall from sky. Only normal jivas, they become demigods.
कैसे
Normal jivas like us, you and me,
जो बहुत सारे
we can become demigods. We might have been demigods in our previous birth.
पुण्यों के
Because when a lot of piety is collected, then the result of that piety is that one becomes demigod and attains heaven.
स्वर्ग मिल जाता है, जो कि बहुत दूर नहीं है, ये इससे पृथ्वी से ऊपर
And that heaven is not very far.
यही है,
First floor is heaven only, Swarga. Not very far.
देवता बन जाते हैं. और फिर वहाँ क्या होता है?
And then what happens there?
स्वर्गवास हो गया जी, स्वर्गवास हो गया, और स्वर्ग मिल जाए हमको, स्वर्ग मिल जाए, होगा क्या?
People cry for it. Oh, may we attain heaven, may we attain heaven. But once you attain heaven, what will you get?
आपने पुण्य कमाया है,
All the piety that you have attained,
तो स्वर्ग में रह जाएगा.
for that little amount you will stay in the heaven. As soon as the pieties are finished, see, you can read in Bhagavad,
फेंक दिया जाता है.
you are thrown like anything back to earth.
पुण्य समाप्त, आपका
Once your piety, your balance is finished,
फिर आ जाओ.
you are thrown back on the earth and told that again earn and then you can come. It's like you collect 10 lakh 1 million rupees and you went to Europe, you spent it every day, and as soon as the money is finished, will the hotel people keep you?
किसी भी होटल में ले लो, प्राइड में जाओ,
Whichever hotel, we have Hotel Pride.
एक दिन का इतना किराया है,
One day so much rent.
जेब में 1 लाख रुपए है.
If you have
दिन होटल वाले रखेंगे आप.
100,000 rupees in your pocket, for how many days these people will keep you? The day your pocket is finished, they will give you 2-4 hours extra. Okay, pack your bags.
तो 1 या 2 दिन फालतू रखेंगे.
But will they keep you 1 or 2 days extra? No. And if you don't get out of the hotel, then what will happen? We have a gunman here. This gunman keeps walking here and there. He will just take all your luggage and throw it out in the Ganges.
पुण्य कमा के
So this is the
खूब मौज मस्ती बाहर,
way.
फिर वहां से
We go to heaven with so much nice enjoyment and everything, and as soon as the pocket is finished, then we are thrown back here. We again go, we again collect piety, we again go there, again come back, again go. So this is useless. If you are actually putting efforts, then put efforts in the right direction so that you do not have to be thrown back like this.
कहाँ पर जाया जाए?
Where should one go? Yad gatva na nirvantate tadham param padam.
यहाँ पर नहीं आया जाता.
The place where once reached, one does not have to come back here.
राम जी का
Not Swarga. Shri Ramji's place, Saket Dham. Shri Narayan's place, Shri Vaikuntha Dham.
कृष्ण का स्थान
Shri Krishna's place, Golok Vrindavan. Once a person reaches there, he does not have to come back here.
स्थिति है.
This is the place, this is the position.
इसने आज स्वयं
That's why today Swayam Bhagwan
को माध्यम बनाकर समाज में शिक्षा, देवताओं की पूजा छोड़ दो, इतना सब कुछ
making his father as the medium, he is explaining that Baba, stop this demigod worship. But Baba is like, oh, how can I stop doing for so many years? How can we stop like this?
तो कन्हैया कहने की
So Kanhaiya started saying, Baba,
एक बात बताओ,
tell me one thing.
जो कर रहे हो ये शास्त्र में भी
This worship that you are doing, is it written in some scriptures or it is just a ritualistic ceremony? Baba said, oh my son, it's not written in scriptures, but yes, it is ritualistic, it's paramparik.
अब नंद बाबा समझ तो रहे हैं.
Now Nanda Baba is understanding the words of Kanhaiya that my Kanhaiya is speaking right actually. Now Kanhaiya is explaining, tell me, who worships Indra in the top of the hills, in the middle of the ocean?
ऐसी वर्षा होगी.
if there no rainfall happens?
इतना सब समझाया,
Is it necessary to worship Indra for getting the rainfall? No, Baba. When Krishna explained like this, Baba, he understood, but still he is having a little doubt in the heart because Krishna is very little. Krishna is very small. He is thinking that how can I just act according to the words of this little boy? So Kanhaiya then explained further that Baba, okay, I'll explain. See, just stop Indra's worship.
बाबा थोड़ा सा बिगड़ कर कहने
I'm
लगे,
telling you.
इंद्र की पूजा छोड़ दो,
If now Nanda Baba said, if stopping Indra's worship, should we worship you?
मन मन में तो सोच
Kanhaiya,
ठीक कही,
he is smiling in the heart and saying, that's actually the right thing. But if I'll say like this, then Baba will just catch my ears and twist it so bad and will say that you are the only person left in the three worlds to worship.
विचार करने लगे,
Now Krishna started thinking that, okay, I cannot say this, but at least I can make them worship someone who is like me.
इसलिए कन्हैया कहने लगे,
So
बाबा,
Kanhaiya said, Baba,
गिरिराज गोवर्धन की पूजा करो।
worship Giriraj Govardhan.
नंद बाबा कहने लगे,
Nand Baba said, a mountain's worship? Why would we worship a mountain? Should not better worship Indra then? Kanhaiya said, Baba, this mountain is not an ordinary mountain.
अच्छा कौन कौन गोवर्धन गए? मतलब
Okay, how many of you have been to Govardhan? Tell me. Oh,
सभी लोग गए हैं।
most of you.
ये गोवर्धन पर्वत ब्रज में कहाँ से आए?
Where this Govardhan Parvat came from? In Treta Yuga, when the
बड़े बड़े
bridge was getting created, big
जब समुद्र
monkeys were bringing big rocks and mountains. So at that time, Hanumanji from the north, he brought Govardhanji with his single hand. He brought the whole big mountain Govardhanji for the service of Ramji.
हाँ, वो जितना भी आप बंद कर लो कोई फर्क- सबके पास रास्ते हैं, कोई लॉन्ग कट शॉर्टकट मार के आ ही जाएंगे। ये हमारे भारत में ऐसा ही होता है। बहुत अच्छा है, कोई भी आगे आके बैठ जाता है, कोई कहीं से भी मुड़कर आ जाता है। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की।
Jai Ho.
क्या बोल रहा था?
So what I was saying,
याद आ रहा है?
can you recall?
गोवर्धन जी वहाँ कैसे आए?
How Govardhanji came there?
बोलते हनुमान जी जब सेतु बंधन कर रहे थे,
When Hanumanji was creating the bridge,
गोवर्धन जी को ये
So-
आश्वासन दिलाकर कि मैं आपको राम जी की सेवा में ले जाऊंगा।
Hanumanji told Govardhanji that I will take you for the service of Ramji, and Govardhanji is becoming very happy that Ramji's lotus feet will come on my head. My life will become so
लेकिन जैसे हनुमान जी
successful.
बोलकर वो पर्वत को
But
लेकर आए,
as Hanumanji was bringing that mountain, a celestial voice came saying that the bridge is finished. There is no need of further rocks. So whoever is bringing whichever rocks, just keep it back there exactly from where you
देखो राम
left
जी
it.
की कैसी मर्यादा,
See, Ramji's standards.
क्योंकि प्रकृति के
He
साथ
never plays
खिलवाड़ नहीं
with
किया,
nature.
पूर्ण मर्यादा को रखा।
He
प्रकृति के
set
साथ।
standards with the nature also.
जहाँ पर पुल बन गया,
As soon as the bridge was finished,
वानरों को आदेश किया कि जहाँ से लाए हो वहाँ पर
he gave
वापस
orders to all the
वानरों ने इच्छा की,
monkeys to keep all the rocks back
लेकर आए, यहीं पर ही फेंक देते।
to the exact place from where they took it.
जहाँ से लाए
All the monkeys started thinking that we can just keep these rocks here. But Ramji said, no, just keep those rocks back to the place where it was.
हनुमान जी गोवर्धन जी को
So Hanuman ji
जी रोने लगे,
was
हाय आप मुझे
about to go back.
सेवा से वंचित कर रहे हो,
Now,
क्यों लेके जा रहे हो?
Govardhanji started crying that you
और
are,
हनुमान जी ने कहा, राम की सेवा नहीं,
why you are depriving me from the service of Ramji?
आपको थोड़ी प्रतीक्षा।
Hanumanji said, don't worry. You will get,
ने कहा, मैं तो युद्ध
if not service of Ram, you will get service of Sham.
तैयार
So, but you have to wait. You have to be patient.
तब से गिर
Then Govardhanji said, no worry. I will patiently stay here wherever you keep me.
से कि एक दिन कृष्ण
So Govardhanji started residing in that braj with the hope that one day I'll get service of Krishna.
और कहाँ द्वापर,
One side Treta Yuga and another side Dwapar Yuga.
राम जी कौन से युग में आए?
Ramji came in Treta,
कौन से युग में आए?
Treta Yuga.
ये बात भी आज सीख के जाना।
So now learn this point also.
अभी कौन सा युग चल रहा है?
Which yuga is going on right now?
सतयुग।
Satyuga?
अच्छा, मैं
Oh,
चल रहा है।
I thought it's Satyuga going on.
जो कथा सुन रहे
Very nicely people are hearing Harikatha. No one comes in the forward also. No one is disturbing also. This is really Satyug only.
अच्छा, कलयुग से पहले क्या था?
What was there before Kalyug? Dwapar. And before that?
उसमें
Treta.
कौन आए थे?
Ramji came in Treta? No.
इस त्रेता में राम जी नहीं आए थे।
Ramji did not come in this Treta.
अब इस बात को समझ लें।
Now learn this point.
ये चतुर्युगी कहलाई जाती है।
This is Chaturyugi.
द्वापर और
Satyug, Treta, Dwapar and Kalyug. Chaturyugi.
अभी ब्रह्मा जी की
Right now,
28वीं चतुर्युगी चल रही है।
it's 28th Chaturyugi of Brahmaji.
और राम जी आए थे
And Ramji
24वीं चतुर्युगी
came in the 24th cycles.
28वें में नहीं आए।
Treta, not on the 20th cycle.
इस त्रेता में राम जी नहीं।
So Ramji was not there in this Treta.
समझ
Ramji
लीजिए।
was there in the 24th Chaturyugi Treta.
अभी ब्रह्मा जी
Can
की
you
28वीं चतुर्युगी चल रही है।
understand?
28।
Right now it's the 20th cycle, 20th Chaturyugi. In this Treta, Ramji did not come. Before this, the 24th Chaturyugi Treta, the Lord Ram came.
द्वापर में तो
And in this Dwapar, Krishna came. So since then, Govardhan ji has been waiting. When will Krishna come and I'll get service? He's waiting for so long.
किसी के इंतजार करना पड़े।
If we get to wait for 4 days only, we shall like just go to hell.
इतनी वेट हम नहीं कर सकते।
We can't wait for so long.
और जो
We are like
इतने
this.
समय से प्रतीक्षा कर
And the one who is waiting patiently for so long, Govardhan ji, what he is getting?
श्री कृष्ण की सेवा में।
He is getting the service of Krishna. And that Govardhan ji, who is he?
साक्षात कृष्ण के ही
He is
स्वरूप हैं।
Krishna's Swarup.
गोवर्धन जी और कृष्ण एक ही हैं।
Govardhan ji and Krishna are one and same.
इसलिए हनुमान जी ने श्री गोवर्धन जी को वहाँ पर रखा।
So Hanuman ji kept Govardhan ji there.
और आज कन्हैया अपने बाबा नंद बाबा से
And today, Kanhaiya is telling the Nand Baba
पूजा करो तो
that,
गोवर्धन जी
Baba, if you want to worship, then worship Govardhan ji who is waiting for so long.
देखो बाबा
See Baba,
घास चाहिए ना।
you only want vegetation for your cows, right?
गोवर्धन जी सब समय गैया
Govardhan ji, he always gives vegetation to our cows.
सुंदर सुगंधित जल देते हैं।
Very beautiful, tasty, sweet water he gives. So many waterfalls are there in Govardhan. If you want to worship, worship Govardhan ji. Baba, tell me one thing.
इंद्र की पूजा करते थे।
The Indra whom you worship, when you used to worship, did ever your Indra gave you darshan?
होते नहीं तो
He said
कभी
no.
खा के दिखलाया।
Did he ever show eating?
बाबा बेकार
No.
का देवता है।
Baba is such a useless demigod.
ये बालक ऐसे नहीं बोलते।
Hey,
देवता बिगड़
hey
जाता
little boy, don't say like this. The demigod may get upset. Now Krishna is thinking in the heart.
है। ऐसा कैसा देवता जिसकी
What
पूजा
kind
करो
of
तो
demigod
करो,
is this?
ना करो
That
तो
if you
कैसा?
worship him, he is good, and if you do not worship, he gets mad.
बात कह रहे हैं कि मैं
Now,
तो ऐसा नहीं हूँ।
Krishna is telling with his
कोई
own
पूजा करे या ना करे,
nature, keeping in front,
सबके लिए बराबर हो।
trying to show that if a person worship me or does not worship me, I am same to all. Samoham.
भगवान बोलते हैं मैं सबके लिए
I
एक
am
समान हूँ।
unbiased. I am same to all.
देखो
See,
जो पूजा करते हैं
the one who worships
जो नहीं करते
and the one who do not worship.
सबको सांस लेने के लिए हवा मिलती है कि नहीं?
Do everyone gets air to breathe, water to drink,
सारी
food to eat?
सुविधा सबके लिए है।
All facilities are present
ना करे, सब
for everyone. A person worships or does not worship.
लेकिन देवता बहुत जल्दी
But the demigods, they get upset very quickly. Oh,
और थोड़ा सिंपल करने के लिए एक उदाहरण दे देता हूँ। ध्यान से
let me explain you with another example.
ध्यान से सुनना। हाँ सुन रहे हैं ध्यान से?
Hear attentively. Are you hearing? Who are not hearing? Raise your hands.
कौन कौन सुन रहे हैं ध्यान से?
And who are hearing?
अब ध्यान से सुनना।
Okay, hear attentively.
दो माताओं का उदाहरण देता हूँ। एक माता ऐसी
I give you example of two mothers. There is one mother, for example, she got
बड़ा इंटेंस डायरी।
the son of one person, mother, he got diarrhea, dysentery.
उसका बच्चा कहता है कि माँ
Now the child says, Ma, I want halwa and kachori very nicely. Ma will give, mother will give.
वो माँ बच्चे को कचौड़ी हलवा नहीं देगी।
That mother will not give at all.
चिल्लाएगा,
The boy will cry, the boy will scream, she will give a nice slap to shut him down. But she will not let him eat.
जहर है।
Why? Because this halwa kachori is like a poison to that kid. So this is one kind of mother.
मान लो ये माँ ए
So this is mother
और एक
A.
है माँ बी
There is mother B now,
जो देखती है हाय बच्चा
who says like, oh, my son is crying.
कोई बात नहीं
Oh,
डैडी तो क्या
chalo koi baat nahi, it's okay. Let me give
हलवा कचौड़ी
let me give him a little bit. We earn so much, we can't even feed our boy with these nice dishes. Oh boy, take it. This is nice, very desi ghee halwa.
उसको मन रखने के लिए उसको हलवा
Now he is suffering from diarrhea, but the mother, just to please him, she is giving food. So who is better, mother A or B? Mother A, obviously. Raise your hand. Mother A is better.
अच्छा
Oh,
अच्छा बी माता
and mother B, who is in favor of mother B? No one.
और बाकी जितने नो कमेंट्स
And else there are no comments.
इतनी बात तो हम सब समझते हैं ना
See, we all understand this basic point. Even if the child is crying, he is right now diseased, cannot be given all these heavy dishes. So this is the difference between the offerings, that the things given by the Lord and the things given by the demigods.
ऐसे नहीं
The Lord will always think before giving.
अंधेर नहीं
In the house of Lord, there might be some delay, but there is no darkness.
दे दो
There might be some delay, but there is no ignorance. We keep on asking, oh, give me this, give me that. But it's like a disease to us, so the Lord does not give.
गणेश चतुर्दशी मनाते हैं शायद काम बंद
Now, a person thinks, oh, nothing is happening, so let me follow Ganesh Chaturdashi.
होगा कौन गणेश कौन दुर्गा पानी में फेंक
See, we just want our things to get done and then we will throw Ganeshji, we will throw away Devi Ma also, demigoddess. We will worship for some days and we throw away.
देवता से
Not no big deal.
मतलब है
So we do not have anything to do with the demigod, we just have only selfish intentions. Just think about it.
कितना बड़ा स्वार्थ है
How great
वो भी किसके साथ
selfishness is present here. And that too with whom?
देवताओं के साथ
That too with the worshipable demigods.
स्वार्थ है भगवान के साथ
Such
मेरे को
great
काम मनवाना है बाकी आप बैठो आप कुछ भी करो मेरे को उससे कोई मतलब
selfishness with the Lord, that I just want my things to get done and then I have nothing to do with you. I'll keep Ganeshji for some time and I'll offer some laddu and then after that I will do swaha. I will nicely drop you in Ganges and Yamunaji. And like this, how many days? 12 days, 15 days? Bappa, yes, my father. Oh, Ganpati, my father. You are my father. And then you throw your father in the river.
कोई अपने घर के पिता को पानी में फेंक देगा
Does anyone throw one's father in the water? Then why he is thrown?
रिवाज है जी
Oh, this is a ritual. A breeze came
मुंबई से
from Mumbai.
नहीं नहीं वो फिल्म स्टार भी करते हैं
Even the film stars do. Big actors, actresses do. Oh,
अक्षर ही किया था
that great person did. Oh, this big famous movie stars they are doing. They are like demigods, na?
ये मनुष्य है कि देवता है
These actors, actresses are humans or demigods? They are very famous.
किसको फॉलो करते हो
Whom do you follow?
इस बात को समझना है
Try to understand this.
हमको किसको फॉलो करना है
Whom we should follow, according to whom we should move.
कितना भी कर लेंगे ना
Whatever you do,
कभी भी वो शांति नहीं मिलेगी
you will never get that satisfaction. There is only one place, and that is the place of the Lord.
पूजा उपासना
Puja, upasana, worship,
भगवान
devotion should only be towards
जिन्हें अपना
Bhagwan.
जीवन भगवान को
And those
समर्पित कर दिया,
who have
ऐसे
actually
सारे
given their life to the service of the Lord and Guru, such saintly personalities who has actually renounced their enjoying life, enjoyment, wealth and everything, they are
जिनकी जीवन
people who should be welcomed always, who always chant, who speaks Hari Katha,
जिनके आचरण में
who
भगवान की सेवा
has service of Bhagwan in their conduct.
ऐसे भगवान की उपासना,
So,
ये हमारे idol
worshipping Bhagwan and worshipping the devotees, these devotees are our idols. These are our
हैं।
idols.
एक साधारण व्यक्ति
And
बहुत नाम
any ordinary person who is little famous in the material side, does he become the idol to be followed? What stupid thing.
श्री कृष्ण नंद
So this is the same thing that Krishna is explaining to Nanda Baba, that Baba, if you want to worship, worship Giriraj Maharaj. All glories to Giriraj Maharaj. Let's hear one bhajan.
हरे हरे कृष्ण शिव थोड़ा शांत हो जाओ। हरे कृष्ण शिव हरे शांत। हरे नंद हरे शिव श्री राधा श्री राधा हारमोनियम श्री राधा रमण जय जय राधा रमण जय जय नवला किशोर प्रभु जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु जय जय बादल चोर प्रभु श्याधार लाल की चिगड़ार धरण की ओ कभी भूलना कभी भूलना भगवान से प्रार्थना करी हे राधा हे गिरिराज महाराज मैं आपको कभी नहीं भूलूंगा ऐसे करुणामय कृपा में हो कभी भूलना याद तुम्हारी रटूं हो तेरा नाम में सांझ सवेरे श्री राधा रमण मेरे ओ राधा रमण मेरे श्री राधा रमण श्री राधा रमण की कभी भूलना 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 याद तुम्हारी रटो तेरा नाम में साँझ सवेरे राधा रमण मेरे राधा रमण मेरे राधा रमण मेरे राधा रमण मेरे ओ राधा रमण मेरे राधा रमण मेरे ठाकुर जी का दर्शन कैसा कितने सुंदर रूप तो कह रहे हैं चर्चा कर रहे हैं भक्त कह रहे हैं वो सिर मोर मुकुट कानन कुंडल तो चंचल नैन कटारे सिर मोर मुकुट तो चंचल नैन कटारे वो सिर मोर मुकुट कानन कुंडल तो चंचल नैन कटारे मोर मुकुट कानन कुंडल दो चंचल नैन और ओ मुख कमल पे भंवरे बने केश लहरावे तारे तारे कमल पे भंवरे बने मुख कमल पे भंवरे बने केश लहरावे तारे तारे केश लहरावे तारे तारे हो जाओ प्रकट मम हृदय में और करो हो जाओ प्रकट मम हृदय में हो जाओ प्रकट मम हृदय में हो करो दिल के मोर अंधेरे राधा मेरी राधा आवाज नहीं आ रही। देखिए जो आ रहा है इसको आनंद की जाने दीजिए। आपका ध्यान ठाकुर जी राधा रमन की तरफ होना चाहिए जो कितने सुंदर रूप से विराजमान है। इसलिए तालियों के साथ राधा रमन मेरे राधा रमन मेरे बोलो राधा रमन मेरे हाथ उठा के बोलो ओ जय जय राधा रमन मेरा राधा रमन मेरा राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा प्यारो रमना जय जय राधा रमन मेरा राधा रमन जय राधा रमन मेरा राधा जय राधा रमन मेरा राधा रमन जय राधा रमन मेरा राधा कभी भूलू ना कभी भूलू ना कभी भूलू ना कभी भूलू ना याद तुम्हारी रखूं तेरा नाम लेता सवेरे राधा रमन मेरे राधा रमन मेरे राधा रमन मेरे राधा रमन मेरे श्री लाल की गल सोहि रही मोती माला अधरों पे मुरली साजे मोती माला अधरों पे मुरली साजे वो गल सोहि रही मोती माला अधरों पे मुरली साजे हो खरे आयल तिरछी चितवन से मुस्कान से छुड़ावे आयल तिरछी चितवन से मुस्कान से हो भक्तों के सरताज तुम्हें, हो भक्तों के सरताज तुम्हें, राधा रानी के प्यारे। तो हाथ वाले सब लोग कौन? श्री राधा रमण, जय जय राधा रमण मेरा राधा रमण, राधा रमण प्यारो रमण, ओ कभी भूलू ना, कभी भूलू ना, भूलू ना, कभी भूलू ना, कभी भूलू ना, याद तुम्हारी मेरा नाम मेरे कान कबीर। राधा पीछे वाले को भी बोल लूं, सभी लोग देखो, ये प्रार्थना है भगवान से, राधा रमण से, गिरिराज महाराज से। हृदय से प्रार्थना करते हुए पुकारिए भगवान को, बोलिए हाथ वाले के साथ, हे राधा रमण अपने आंचल की छाया में करुणामय मुझे छिपा लो, अपने आंचल की छाया में करुणामय मुझे छिपा लो, अपने आंचल की छाया में करुणामय मुझे छिपा लो, अपने आंचल जन्म देखो ये इसलिए बोल रहा हूं बार बार, लेकर जाओ ये जितना हो सके, ये मंगल है, यही काम आएगा और कुछ नहीं। हाथ आके भगवान से हृदय से, ठीक है, नहीं बोलना ही नहीं, हृदय से पुकारना है। पुकार, दोनों हाथ उठा के बोलिए, ओ राधा रमण मेरे राधा रमण कभी भूलना, कभी भूलना, कभी भूलना, कभी भूलना याद तुम्हारी, तेरा नाम में कभी राधा आप लोग बोलिए, हाथ ढक बोलो, आवाज सुनिए राधा रमन जी को आपकी, हाथ को उठाओ, मुख से भी आवाज को निकालो, बोलो राधा रमन श्री राधा रमन। अभी और आवाज कम है, इतने सारे लोग हुआ, और जोर से देखो गंगा महारानी कितना प्रसन्न हो रही है प्रभु का नाम सुन के। कौन से बोलिए राधा रमन, राधा रमन श्री राधा रमन, भजन राधा रमन, श्री राधा रमन, हाथ आगे, श्री राधा रमन, मेरी राधा रमन, मेरी राधा रमन, मेरी राधा रमन, ओ मेरा राधा रमन प्यारा प्यारा रमन, राधा रमन मेरा प्यारा रमन, राधा रमन प्यारा प्यारा रमन, राधा रमन मेरा प्यारा रमन, जय राधा रमन, राधा रमन, राधा रमन, राधा रमन, ओ मेरे बाके बिहारी लाल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रीराम, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी ओ प्यारे, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी। देखो भैया कितना सुंदर श्रृंगार है हमारे ठाकुर जी का, तो नजर ताने बोलिए, ठाकुर जी आपको नजर न लग जाए, बोलिए मेरे बाके, मेरे बाके, प्यारे बाके बिहारी लाल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी ओ प्यारे, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी ओ मेरे बाके बिहारी लाल, मेरे बाके बिहारी लाल, तू इतना ना करियो श्रृंगार, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी प्यारे, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी ओ प्यारे, नजर तोहे लग जाएगी। राधा लाल की जय जय श्री राधे। हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा तेरी मुरलिया पे मनमोरा अटका तेरी मुरलिया पे मनमोरा अटका प्यारा लगे तेरा पीला पटका प्यारा लगे तेरा पीला पटका तेरी मुरलिया पे मनमोरा अटका तेरी मुरलिया पे मनमोरा प्यारा लगे तेरा पीला पटका तेरा पीला तेरी टेढ़ी मेरी तेरी टेढ़ी मेरी चाल तू इतना ना करियो से नजर तो है लग जाएगी नजर तो है लग जाएगी नजर तो है लग जाएगी वो तेरे बाके बिहारी मुरलिया पे मनमोरा अटका तेरी मुरलिया पे मनमोरा अटका प्यारा लगे तेरा पीला पटका तेरा नीला पटका प्यारा लगे तेरा नीला पटका प्यारा लगे तेरा नीला पटका घूंघर वाले घूंघर वाले तो इतना ना करियो से प्यार नजर तो है लग जाएगी प्यारे नजर तो है लग जाएगी